You can do some upper body work, shoulders, biceps, triceps.
Wow, that was me 35 years ago when I founded my corporate wellness company. And I'm proud to say, after 35 years, we're still going strong. Hi, I'm Kathy Freeman, registered nurse, founder, and CEO of Health Fitness Concepts RN, LLC. Over the past 3 decades, HFC's programs and services have helped thousands of corporations cultivate a culture of wellness, which has impacted hundreds of thousands of corporate employees. Our programs and services are delivered by registered nurses, registered dietitians, and other health professionals. From health fairs, vaccination services, biometric screenings, nutrition programs, and activity challenges are just some of the programs that help inspire employees to change behavior and optimize their health. For information on how we can help you cultivate a culture of wellness, please feel free to download our service guide, which can be found on the exhibit booth. We also have our Director of Operations, Amy, and Event Coordinator, Roxanne, standing by to answer any questions you may have. A very special thank you to our partners from Wellness Concepts, who helped us bring you this special event. We hope that you are inspired and truly enjoy the experience. Thank you, and be well.